If you've ever opened a stock chart and thought, what am I even looking at? You're definitely not alone. Most beginners feel overwhelmed by candlesticks, lines, and indicators. But once you learn how to read a stock chart properly, it changes everything. In this video, I'll show you how to decode a stock chart, understand the key signals, and start seeing what experienced investors look for before a stock is about to soar higher, and how to enter into positions properly. If you're new to investing or you've been watching from the sidelines, this video is going to give you a solid foundation, because while most people rely on tips, tweets, and opinions, real investors learn how to read the charts, not to predict the future, but to understand what's actually happening in the market and what's likely to happen next. So whether you're just starting out or you want to finally understand what you're looking at, I'm going to walk you through step by step what I've learned after studying stock charts for over 20 plus years. There's nothing I love more than stock charts. And now I want to offer you 3 basic tips that will really help you out in understanding a stock chart. So you ready? Tip number 1 is understand candlesticks. I cannot say enough about candlesticks. They're little price footprints on a stock chart, and they really tell you a ton. So I'm going to give you a 1-minute lesson on candlesticks. We're going to focus on this green candlestick here on the right. And what a candlestick does, it represents supply and demand in a given period of time on a particular stock. So let's say that this is Monday's trading on Microsoft. The market opens at 9:30, and we're going to use fictitious numbers. Microsoft opens at $100 on Monday morning at 9:30. Ding, 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 the market opens. Microsoft's trading away at 100. But through the course of the day, Microsoft trades all the way to the top of the wick at 150 and all the way to the bottom of the wick during the trading day to this low at 75, but it closes the day at 125, creating a bullish green candlestick. So this tells you that the bulls or the buyers were in charge of Microsoft on that day. And depending on where the candle lands on the chart, there's a high probability that the following time frame will also be bullish. So these are the things that we want to know about. So that's a bullish green candlestick. It's the opposite over here on the red side, where Microsoft would have opened at 125 and closed at 100, giving it a red candlestick, meaning that the bears were in charge. So that's my quick 1 minute on candlesticks. All you have to know about candlesticks, they're not complicated at all. It's just buyers and sellers underneath the chart, underneath Microsoft, either buying or selling. It's a tug of war, and one side is going to win. So in our prior example with the green candle, the bulls won the tug of war for the. And will they win the following tug of war? It's highly likely, depending on where the candlestick is on the. So that's tip number. Tip number 2 is see the big picture. Oh my gosh, I can't say enough about this too. See the big. So here is a 10-year monthly chart on Microsoft. Look, look, look. This starts in 2016. Look at this price appreciation. These are monthly candlesticks. So instead of a day in time, these are months. Look at Microsoft and the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful uptrend it's been in for a very long time. It had a little rest here in 2022 where it came into this level of support. And this is where we're interested at these levels of support. We want to get involved. We want to understand the candlesticks, and away you go. So this was opportunity zone number 1, and this is opportunity zone number 2. So this is 10 years. I'm filming this in June of 2025. This happened just 3 months ago. Look at the opportunity on Microsoft. So when you can read a candlestick and understand these concepts, how clear is that buy signal? Just beautiful, beautiful on a really high quality stock like Mike. So opportunity 1, opportunity 2. You might not see that opportunity if you're looking at the granular daily chart. It really helps to step back and look at them. So I'm blowing it up now so that you can really see how the candlesticks lend you that clarity. So this is a 5-year monthly chart of Microsoft. There's our beautiful blue line indicating the uptrend. And this is where Microsoft came into that area of support. So the red bars, the red months, came to an end very dramatically here in April, and look at the rocket fuel in Microsoft. Just a beautiful chart. Tip number 3, learn to see support. So as I showed you in the Microsoft chart, the 10-year big picture, look at how you can so clearly see support. I use this blue line as my guide. The blue line is amazing. When a really high quality stock comes into the blue line and it starts to show me bullish candlesticks, I'm starting to sit up, pay attention, and take note for my entry. So there was support line, this green dotted line here, that was support in October 2022. And support number 2, that was more recent. Support in April, this should say 2025. But you can see how Microsoft bounced off our blue line at this very clear area of support. You see this area was prior resistance over here. It could not get through my green dotted line, but here it did. So it was an area of new support. If you put all of these things together and focus on really good quality names and charts, you have the secret sauce to becoming a successful investor. I hope you join me in my program. I've got so much more to share with you. I absolutely love this stuff. So I hope I see you. If this helped you better understand how to read a stock chart and you're wondering how to actually use this to start and grow your portfolio with confidence, then I have something for you. I put together a full free training that walks you through the exact strategy I've used and taught to hundreds of other investors to invest without emotion, confusion, or hype. It's linked in the description and pinned comment. Inside, I'll walk you through the exact mechanical investing strategy that eliminates emotion, overthinking, and second guessing, giving you a clear system to follow even if you're just starting out. How to build a profitable portfolio aligned to your risk profile, lifestyle, and goals using the risk positioning matrix, allowing you to make money in any market condition. How to know exactly what to invest in, when to buy, when to stay out, and when to take profits using a data-driven market timing method called the positive point. If you're ready to stop dabbling and start investing like a real investor, just click the link below to check out the free training, and I'll see you in the next one.